Namaste beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a truly transformative practice, Yogasana. These are not just physical postures but profound tools to bring balance and harmony to our bodies, minds and spirits. In the ancient Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Yogasanas are described as the foundation of Hatha Yoga. The text says, Hatasya prathamanagatvad Asanam puramuchyate kuryatadanam sthiryam arogyam changalaghavam. Which means asana is the first step of Hatha Yoga. Through asana, we attain steadiness, health and lightness of the body. You see, in Hatha Yoga, these postures go way beyond just stretching or exercise. They bring stability to the body, clarity to the mind and a deep connection with our inner energy. When we practice asanas, we are creating the perfect environment for inner peace. As Patanjali describes in the Yoga Sutras, Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Asana is a posture that is steady and comfortable. Whether you are sitting in meditation or flowing through poses, the goal is always the same: to find balance, ease and stillness in the body and mind. But Yogasanas aren't just about holding poses. They are about aligning your energy, purifying your system and preparing you for deeper spiritual practice. It is believed there were once 8.4 million asanas, symbolizing every form of life in the universe. Over time, these were refined to a few hundred, with 84 asanas being the most important for our health and well-being. These postures go beyond flexibility and strength. They unlock the flow of energy through the body's nadis and chakras, preparing us for meditation, pranayam and ultimately a higher state of consciousness. With every posture, we are not just working on our muscles, we are working on the deeper layer of our being. By practicing Yogasanas, we cultivate concentration, balance and inner awareness. Imagine being able to stand tall like a tree, rooted yet flexible. That's the power of Yogasana. It brings both strength and surrender. It's a dance between steadiness and ease. So as we embark on this beautiful journey into Yogasana, remember each posture is more than a pose. It's a pathway to inner stillness. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced yogi, the practice of Yogasana can bring balance, peace and clarity into your life. In the next video, I will guide you through different asanas, focusing on the physical, mental and spiritual benefit of each. Together, we will explore how to practice them correctly and mindfully. Until then, stay grounded, stay peaceful and keep breathing. Namaste.